देखिए अभी बैंक निफ्टी के लिए 38,100 इज़ अ वेरी क्रूशल लेवल, इट्स अ मेक और ब्रेक लेवल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी। यहाँ ये है प्रीवियस डे हाई, अगर आप देखोगे तो ये दिस वाज बैंक निफ्टीज प्रीवियस डे हाई। उस लेवल को मॉर्निंग में हमने गैप अप ओपनिंग के बाद उसको ब्रीच किया। उसके बाद हमने उसी लेवल पे सपोर्ट लिया एंड वी रिज्यूम्ड आवर अपवर्ड ट्रेंड। तो फिलहाल अभी उसी लेवल पे है। अगर इसे ब्रेक डाउन करता है तो देन वी कैन सी फॉर द डाउन साइड, वरना हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि इस यहाँ से वी कैन सी a good pullback till this trend line, and it can come back to 38 to 200 levels. फिलहाल मैंने जो कैरी ओवर पोजीशन थी उसमें लॉस बुक कर लिया है। लेट मी क्विकली अपडेट। एंड मैंने अपनी पोजीशन बना ली है, उसमें मुझे 20,000 का लॉस हो रहा है, बट आई एम प्लेइंग ऑन द लॉन्ग साइड with the view that it will not breach the previous day low and it will take support and bounce back. So let's see. uh, I will let you know. This is the bank nifty's put, and see if you see it's taking support for at this trend line. So I'm expecting it to somehow breach this trend line and go down because I'm an option seller. अगर ये इस ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर जाएगा तो I will book out of my position. So a quick update here. We did see a breakdown here, but अगर ये breakdown confirm होता तो ये यहाँ से retest करके it should have gone down. So we should have seen this kind of thing अगर ये breakdown होता तो. But as you can see, it has again come, bounced back and retraced above this line, which is 38,100. So there is a high probability of seeing a bounce back is what I'm seeing. And the second reason for that is if you look at the OI data. So this is the Bank Nifty today's daily change OI data. तो आप देख सकते हो there is a heavy put writing at 3800 levels. In fact 38,100 and 38,200 levels are also seeing good amount of put writing. So this indicates that Bank Nifty is not willing to go down, and bulls should defend their position. So currently my scenario is I'm currently at a running loss of 47,000. So it's a wait and watch game, traders. Even if I look at it from a different angle, so it has to sustain above the dynamic resistances. It's a 20 DMA and 50 exponential moving average. यहाँ पर एक और पैटर्न फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, if you see, and if it goes and takes supports again, and if it goes above this level and breaks the trend line, we can see it's a inverted head and shoulder, which is a bullish pattern. Having said that, we just have to see. As of now there is no confirmation. तो देखिए ट्रेडर्स, जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था, वी आर सीइंग अ बाउंस बैक इन बैंक निफ्टी. It has taken support and kind of a inverted head and shoulder pattern here. So a quick update to my position: from 47,000 loss, I am now currently down to 20,000 odd loss. And now this would basically, if it sustains above this dynamic resistance, it would basically trap the short sellers. अगर आपने देखा यहाँ से जो इंट्राडे टॉप बनाया बैंक निफ्टी ने, उसके बाद वी काइंड ऑफ सॉ lower highs, and we came down smoothly from almost 38 350 odd levels to 38,050, so almost 300 pounds points downside. And up we should see a sharp up move because of this bear trap. And if you can see the OI change also, we would see a sharp unwinding happening at some point of time on 38,000 calls and 38,100 as well. So if I look at the overall picture, it's neck to neck scenario for the put and calls at 38,000 levels. We should see this going down. ट्रेडर्स जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था, हमें एक बहुत ही बढ़िया रैली मिल रही है बैंक निफ्टी में, और मेरी जो पोजीशन है वो ऑलमोस्ट 6-7 thousand के लॉस में आ गई है. सो ये जो लॉस है वो मेरा इनफैक्ट कैरी ओवर पोजीशन का लॉस है. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर 25,000 का लॉस मैंने सुबह बुक किया, 17,000 का यहाँ पर बुक किया. उसके अगेंस्ट मैंने जो नई पोजीशन ली उसमें 20,000 का प्रॉफिट हुआ है. और यहाँ पर देख सकते हो मेरी इंट्राडे पोजीशंस. एक्चुअली मेरा जो रनिंग प्रॉफिट चल रहा है वो अराउंड 13,000 12,000 के आसपास है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द मॉर्निंग कैरी ओवर पोजीशन लॉस, इट इज़ my net overall position is in loss. That's fine. Right now Bank Nifty is doing what we expected. We have to see whether it continues this way, or it takes some resistance here, consolidates, and then carries on. Yeah, so we'll currently wait here patiently to see what it does over here. We see a resistance here at this level. उसने जब morning में when it went up, it took a resistance, went up, came back, retraced, and then gave a breakdown from here, took support. So it's kind of going up and down. It's volatile, almost 300 points move from here to here. देखिए ट्रेडर्स, लास्ट 20 मिनट बचे हैं मार्केट क्लोज होने के लिए, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा पेशेंस टेस्ट करवाया इस बार बैंक निफ्टी ने. एक बहुत ही नैरो रेंज में कंसोलिडेट किया. अब थोड़ा सा रिट्रेसमेंट दिखा रहा है होपफुली, और आप देख सकते हो प्रीमियम इनफैक्ट डिके हुए नहीं है, इनफैक्ट प्रीमियम स्पाइक हो गए हैं. खैर यहाँ पर मैं अभी आई एम लुकिंग टू एग्जिट एट एनी मोमेंट. आई डोंट वांट टू कैरी ओवर दिस पोजीशन फॉर टुमारो. I have to reduce the quantity. Definitely I can't carry over 900. I'm holding 900 quantities here. So market has closed now, and a final update on my overall position. As you can see, I have managed to close the day at almost no loss no profit. In the morning, because of the gap up, I had to book a loss in two of my positions that I was carrying over. The first one was 38,100. I had to book a loss of 25,000 here, and the other position was 38,000 CE. I had only 100 quantities here, but still I had to book a loss of 17,000 here, against which I managed to book a profit of 20,000 in all these three trades were carried over from yesterday. And looking at the current today's Bank Nifty setup, I took a couple of positions which I had to exit my trailing stop loss hit at the same buying price. they were showing at one time, they were showing like 15 17k profit each one of them. uh, but because of the market being sideways, when they started drifting down, I covered them just to manage my risk. And then I managed to book out a profit of 20,605 at 37,400 put, and a profit of 24,292 at 38,500 PE. So in so for tomorrow, I have actually carried over two positions. One is 38,500 put and a 38,500 call. If you see, Bank Nifty has closed at 38,171. So my view is clearly bullish. I am looking for an upside in the Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and that's why I've built this position. So initially I was holding only this position, but in case, just to minimize and hedge my risk, I have sold 38,500 a call. In case if Bank Nifty gaps down, I would be able to book my losses and get the corresponding profits from this call. So let's quickly go and analyze the chart, what Bank Nifty did. So this is a 1 minute Bank Nifty chart, and this rally actually helped me book out my profits here and close my day in a net position. So if you look at it on a longer time frame, you will see that we are still in a bullish zone for Bank Nifty. If you look at in a daily chart, we are seeing Bank Nifty has given us a fresh all-time high closing, and on a weekly chart as well, if you see, we are clearly showing a good upside move. So there's a probability that we would be continuing the upside journey for Bank Nifty. And आज भी अगर आप देखोगे तो निफ्टी के comparison Bank Nifty was very strong. And for today's momentum, it has been consolidating in a narrow range. So for tomorrow, I'm expecting that the range to be broken. So let's quickly analyze that as well. So all the movement in Bank Nifty came in the first 30 minutes. If you see, this is a 30-minute chart, and this is the high that Bank Nifty made, and this was a low. Okay, and उसी रेंज में बैंक निफ्टी ने कंसोलिडेशन दिखाया है. So I'm expecting tomorrow this consolidation would be broken out on the upper side or on the lower side. But if you see on the lower end, there are lots of support for Bank Nifty. So even if it breaks this zone here, then it will definitely come to fill the gap. Then there is going to be support at this level. There's a gap filling pending here. There's a support here. So if you see, there are multiple supports on the downside, whereas if the Bank Nifty breaks out on the upside, we enter the uncharted territory. So we don't know how far it will travel. But having said that, I have been taking a bullish view, and that's how I position my trades for tomorrow. And there's another trend line that we can still draw. And if you join the lows, so see, it is consolidating in a narrow range, and the moment it breaks out of this zone, either on the upside or on the downside, we would get a good momentum. So let's see what happens tomorrow. How does the US market closes today's session? It all depends on that. So if you have liked my live trading video, my analysis, please do like, share, and comment on my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.